In this video, I will show you how to create automation robots in Bitrix24. First, log into your Bitrix24 account. Once you're on your dashboard, you will notice the main menu on the left side of your screen, and at the top, you will also see another set of options. Now on the right side of your screen, look for Automation Rules and click on it. This will open a pop-up window dedicated to automation rules. Inside, you will find a variety of options you can customize to help automate your workflow. At the top of this pop-up, click on Test Mode. You will be given two choices: test using a demo deal or test using a real-life deal. Let's choose test using demo deal for now. A disclaimer will appear. Just close it, and you will then see the Automation Test Mode window. When you're done exploring, click on Stop Test to exit. After that, go back into the Automation Rules section, and at the top, click on the Create button. From the list of categories, select Customer Communication. Under that section, you will find Send Email to Customer. Click on the Add button. A new pop-up will appear where you can now compose your email message. Here you can type in your content, choose your recipients, and set it up to send automatically whenever your rule is triggered. And that's how to create automation robots in Bitrix24.